Today, you all are welcome at SF College of Pharmacy, Moga. I, Sukhbir Kaur, and my colleague Mr. Tanmi are going to give demonstration on the formulation of free all-purpose herbal cream containing curcuma longa. Curcuma longa. This curcuma longa is the herb which is used in our curry preparations. This is having a long list of beneficial properties when applied for the topical application, starting from anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, photoprotections and wound healing properties. This particular formulations comes under the category of cosmetic and cosmeceuticals. The cosmeceuticals share market share of 200 crore out of the 2000 crore of the market herbal formulations. So this formulation is for all-purpose topical application. To start the all-purpose herbal cream, we'll take the ingredients, that is cetyl alcohol, propyl paraben, stearyl alcohol, lavender oil, stearic acid, curcumin herbal extract, potassium hydroxide, glycerine, methyl paraben and polyethylene glycol. These ingredients, they are used in composition given in the table in order to make 100 gram of the cream. All ingredients are ready with us. So the first step is to segregate the ingredients as per their solubility. Means oil soluble ingredients, they are to be placed in one group, and the aqueous soluble ingredients, they are to be placed in the second group. So in the oil phase, we will take the ingredients stearic acid, lavender oil, stearyl alcohol, propyl paraben and cetyl alcohol. On the aqueous side ingredients, we are having the herbal extract, potassium hydroxide, glycerine, methyl paraben and polyethylene glycol. So after segregation of the ingredient, now let us see the equipment which is required for the preparation of cream, that is the temperature controlled hot plate and the speed controlled mechanical stirrer. These are the two main instruments which are required for the preparation of all-purpose herbal cream, and the glassware which are required for this, a very simple glassware is required, that is a beaker. One beaker is required for the aqueous phase, another beaker is required for the oily phase, measuring cylinder, glass rod and the very important, that is the temperature, thermometer for maintaining the temperature and the weighing balance. Okay, now let us start preparing the herbal cream. So first take two beaker, one is for the aqueous phase, another for the oily phase. We have taken 7500 ml of the water, and all water soluble ingredients are to be put into this beaker, and this is put onto the hot plate having temperature around 70 to 80 degrees centigrade, so that you can have the temperature inside the beaker is 70 degrees centigrade. To the oil phase ingredient, we have taken a beaker which is perfectly dry, and we will take the ingredient of oil phase which is having highest melting point. In our case, it is the stearic acid. So let us take the stearic acid first and will put into the beaker. It will start melting and will mix it with the glass rod. After that, we will take the ingredient which is having melting point less than the stearic acid, that is stearyl alcohol we have put, and after that we will be putting cetyl alcohol. The advantage of using this order in mixing is the highest melting point acting as a solvent for rest of the ingredient, and overheating of the ingredient is avoided. So here we will wait till the stearic acid melts, and when it completely melts, we will be adding the next ingredient, that is the stearyl alcohol. And make sure when we are doing it, all the ingredients, they must melt. Now
the two phases, that is the aqueous phase and oily phase, are ready. The temperature of the oil phase and aqueous phase are kept at 70 degree centigrade. So the next step is to add aqueous phase to the oily phase, and firstly we'll keep the oily phase into the mechanical stirrer with the speed 300 to 350 rpm. Oil phase, we have kept it into the hot plate. The temperature is maintained inside the beaker is 70 degree, and will add the aqueous phase slowly to the oily phase. You can see the emulsification starts. It will take 3 to 5 minutes. We are adding very slowly aqueous phase to the oily phase. The RPM, the revolution of mechanical stirrer, is kept between 300 to 350 RPM, and the stirring will continue till 45 minutes. Now you can see the cream is ready. After stirring, the stirring was continued till 40 minutes, and the temperature of the system is reduced to 50 degree. And when the temperature reduced, we put the lavender oil into the cream, and again the stirring was continued till 5 minutes. Now you can see our cream is ready. Now we poured the cream into the container. Now you can see it is having a very smooth consistency, free from grittiness, and having the viscosity very smooth. Now we have finished with the formulation of all-purpose herbal cream. The purpose won't be finished if I won't thank my colleague Madam Veerbal Kaur and Mr. Tanmay for the formulation of herbal cream. This particular practical is in the B.Pharm 6th semester in the subject of herbal drug technology. I thank IIT Department Office of College of Pharmacy for their constant support. I also thank Management of SF College of Pharmacy, who gave us the opportunity to give the demonstration on herbal drug technology for the practical all-purpose herbal cream. Thank you.